Hi, today we will be going over how to hook a hanging belt skimmer assembly up to an actual belt skimmer. When you first take your hanging belt skimmer assembly out of the box, it's a few things to look for. Let's make sure we have a quick link at the top of the chain. And this is the supporting chain that supports your weight. And let's make sure it's a second quick link attached to the pulley assembly. Next thing you want to look for is to make sure you have an eye bolt connected to your weight that's connected to the pulley assembly. And of course you want to make sure your belt is wrapped around your pulley assembly. Now let's attach the hanging assembly to the actual belt skimmer. First thing you want to do is take your belt, you drop it around the pulley evenly, like that, in between the dip tray. And we recommend that you gradually sit your hanging weight down slowly. You want to take this quick link and you want to connect it to the actual frame of the belt skimmer and then screw it up. The next thing you would want to do is attach your 2-inch wipers. And those should slide right down into the grooves of the actual dip tray. That's one of them. And then we're going to put in the second one.